Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video, we're going to be talking about all you need to know about eSIM, how it differs from the traditional SIM card that we used to know, its benefits and drawbacks, and then also what devices or smartphone that you're supposed to be working on. So if that interests you, just stick around. It's going to be a short one. Now, an eSIM is a small chip, so it's not literally an invincible SIM card. It is a chip that is embedded on your smartphone. That little chip on your device can be remotely activated without, the need or the use of your traditional SIM card. What exactly is the difference between, your traditional SIM card and then the eSIM card? Our traditional SIM card is a card that you insert into your smartphone. But on the other hand, which is the eSIM, it is embedded on your device, so it is inside your phone, literally right now, and this can be activated remotely, which means you don't literally have to start swapping that chip or go to an engineer to tell them to swap that chip. It is something that you activate remotely. This means you don't need to physically swap out your SIM cards when you need to change your carrier. God knows this one is killing me. But what exactly are the benefits of this eSIM? Because we need to know. One of the biggest benefits of eSIM is its flexibility. With eSIMs, you can easily switch between carriers or plans without having to, physically take out your SIM card. It also makes traveling a lot more easier because internationally, when you go to another country, you have to switch between SIM cards or, probably buy a new SIM card. But with eSIM, it's literally different. And, saving money is something that everyone wants to do. But we also have to look at the drawbacks. Now, the first drawback I can think of right now is, the availability. eSIM is not something that is widely accepted right now, and it is not also available on all the smartphones because it is not currently on my smartphone. And it's going to take a while before, you can start seeing that SIM card or, see it being as rampant as the current SIM cards we have right now. Plus, some people might still prefer the traditional SIM card over the eSIM card, so it is a drawback. Now, how do you activate this eSIM? To activate the eSIM, you have to first of all check if your device or carrier supports the activation or the use of eSIM. If it does support it, you will need to obtain an eSIM activation code from your carrier and scan it into your device. Once activated, you can now start using that eSIM, and you can select your carrier and plan directly from your device's settings. Like I said, if your device supports eSIM. And if you're in Nigeria and you want the best and full network experience, including being able to make calls, send text message, and then use the internet, we famously have the MTN, Airtel, Glo, and then the 9 Mobile. But unfortunately, none of these Nigerian operators offers the eSIM privilege to prepaid customers. But this video is about eSIM. So what if you want to use the eSIM right here in Nigeria? It is said that Airtel has it, because if you look right here on this research right now, the eSIM service is now immediately available on Airtel networks, and customers who wish to switch their current physical SIM cards to the eSIM will not be able to do this. Like I said, you just need to first of all check if your device is compatible with the eSIM, and then you need to dial *#06# to obtain the required QR code and be guided through a eSIM swap process. I don't know how to do it. I haven't done it, but I think I need to try it out. If you follow me on Instagram or on Twitter, I want to start posting on there right now. I'm going to put the two handles on the screen right now. So I'm going to make a video where I'm going to try to get the eSIM from an Airtel SIM card or for my device on an Airtel SIM card. So the names are on the screen. Go ahead and follow me on those pages right there as well. It's going to be in the description. Now let me just quickly point out, if you're using the XR and above, I'll just say right now, you are safe. eSIM is running on your device right now. Then on the other side, for the Android users, latest smartphone devices like the Google Pixel and then latest Samsung phones also offer the use of eSIM on that devices. So I'm going to be putting a link down in the description box where you can go ahead and find a list of devices that eSIM or currently offer, especially in Nigeria and then also abroad. So yeah, let's just quickly go ahead and look at how to activate the eSIM on your device. So I'm just going to quickly give credit to the Philips Future. This guy made a video on how to activate the eSIM as well. Inside one of these, you're going to be getting your unique QR code. So first of all, you need to go to your settings, tap on your networks and internet. So right here, you should now see the download eSIM instead button. So you can go ahead and click on that button, hit next, and then you can follow the on-screen instructions. You're going to be able to scan your QR code on the card right away. And just as simple as that, you have your eSIM working right now on your device. So how the eSIM works is 100% the same way your normal physical SIM card works. So you can always delete the eSIM card once you're done, and you feel you don't need it on that smartphone again, you can just go ahead and feel free to delete that SIM card from your phone. It's pretty much very simple. Now, the most asked questions for the eSIM is, does the eSIM work on two phones at the same time? Obviously, the answer is no. So once you're done using the eSIM on the first device, you can go ahead and feel free to delete it and then go ahead and repeat the process for the next device. Finally, I think I need to bring out my own thoughts on this eSIM. What are my thoughts on eSIM? Well, it does everything your traditional SIM card does, even better, because I now have to use 3 phones. It is not a flex, but I now have to use 3 phones because of my shitty location and shitty networks today MTN will work, tomorrow Airtel will not work, tomorrow this one will work, and then I had to swap out SIM cards daily. But with eSIM card, I feel like it is much more better, because in fact I don't feel like I know it is much more better, because you just have to activate the code. eSIM is the way forward. It is great. I should have made this video a long time ago, but either way, the video is up. So what are your thoughts on eSIM? What do you think about this eSIM? If you enjoyed this video, feel free to give this video a like. Don't forget to keep watching my videos. There should be a video on the screen right now, and yeah, I'll see you all in the next video.